Adventure awaits with the Peugeot Rifter 2024, a versatile MPV that seamlessly blends practicality, comfort, and affordability. Whether you're exploring city streets, tackling off-road trails, or hauling cargo, the Rifter is the perfect companion for every journey. Ready to embrace adventure with the Peugeot Rifter 2024? With its spacious interior, efficient engines, and a host of features, the Rifter 2024 is the perfect companion for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a versatile ride. Its comfort, efficient engines, affordability, and safety features make it an exceptional choice for those seeking a vehicle that can handle any adventure life throws their way. Starting at AED $69,900, approximately $19,000, the Peugeot Rifter 2024 offers exceptional value for money. Step inside the Rifter 2024 and discover an interior that seamlessly adapts to your needs. Whether you're transporting camping gear, sports equipment, or the whole family, the Rifter 2024's configurable seating arrangements and ample storage compartments ensure everything has its place. With seating options for up to 7 passengers, the Rifter accommodates every adventure. Powering the Rifter 2024 is a range of efficient diesel and petrol engines that deliver impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. The 1.5L Blue HD diesel engine is a popular choice, offering a balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking a petrol option, the Rifter 2024 also offers a capable engine that delivers responsive performance. The Rifter 2024 seamlessly integrates technology and safety features to enhance your driving experience. The Peugeot iCockpit puts essential information at your fingertips with its compact steering wheel and central touchscreen. Advanced driver assistance features like active safety brake and traffic sign recognition provide peace of mind on every journey.